got something for you today. Wait, do you hear that? Oh, the kids are getting excited and they're asking, hey, you got $1? I think I hear the nice cream man. The nice cream. Wouldn't that be a beautiful reality? Instead of having a pus ice cream man giving out pus sickles and pus cones to people, causing all kinds of inflammation and colon cancer, the pus colon cancer man. Instead, we could have the nice cream man. Wouldn't that be a more beautiful reality? Let's make that happen, everybody. Nice cream. And today, we got Monica, Hannah, and Mia, who's going to show you a beautiful, beautiful nice cream recipe. Now, this is something that I used to make a lot, really enjoyed. The nice cream, you blend it the right way, you put the right stuff in it, and have a real nice treat. Now, for those of you that's a little bit more on the extremist side, or if you're too good for something because it's been frozen, like, oh, that was in the freezer, or that's not natural enough for me, that's fine, but then this video wouldn't be for you. This is for those of us that we want to enjoy our transition. We want to have some fun.
And what are we doing?
Not eating any mucus.
Who eats mucus?
By not having the mucus constipation problems. And this is an excellent transitional recipe that the kids can enjoy, and the adults and the elders and everybody can enjoy some nice cream. Fruit berry nice cream. So I'm Professor Spira. I practice something called the Mucusless Diet Healing System by Professor Spira. I've done so for over 21 years, and I've helped thousands of people transform their lives using the methods of this system. And telling you, there's nothing like some nice cream. I got some nice cream, and you ain't got none. If you know that reference. So without further ado, let's kick it over to Monica, Hannah, and Mia, and let's check out this nice cream recipe. Take it away.
Welcome! Lucky, you're in my spot. You little one. You want to do a video with us now too? All right. Well, welcome. Today we have a very special treat. Today we are going to make fruit berry nice cream.
Fruit very nice cream.
Okay, are you excited?
Yep.
Okay. What kind of fruit do we need for this? Of course, you can make this with any kind of fruit. We're just going to show you a certain way to do it today that we happen to have available with us.
Okay, so for the nice cream part, we're going to need strawberries, bananas, and figs.
Right. And you can have either frozen bananas or frozen strawberries. Today I happen to have frozen strawberries. One being frozen is enough to make it nice cream.
Okay, for the berries to decorate, pineapple, of course, for greens,
Blackberry,
kiwi,
and raspberry.
Yes. Okay, and what
Tools.
Okay, tools.
cutting board.
So to make the nice cream, we're gonna need a blender.
This is a special curler to make circular curls out of the pineapple.
Right,
And
that's
to take the middle out.
to take the middle out, right?
You're going to need a spoon to eat it.
Right? I'm gonna need a knife.
And
Yes.
you need dishes for your items.
Yep.
You're gonna just open
And our very beautiful nice cream cups.
Yep.
Nice cream cups. Okay, let's get started.
Yeah.
Does somebody want to start with the bananas?
I'll do the
I'm gonna get going on this pineapple just to have it ready.
This is sort of my kiwi.
First, I like to twist off the top. Can you put that in the compost for me?
And I'm just gonna peel the banana. I'm going to cut it. Well, I'm going to cut it into little circles for a kiwi double.
Oh my gosh, this pineapple smells wonderful. Look at that. It is so beautiful. And you also, when we're blending the strawberries and bananas, you may need to add a little water. You can add all those dates. I think I put about 6 little dates in there. You may need to add water just to make sure it's able to blend.
If it gets too
Oh, look
thick,
at all that juice.
I know, right?
that's why you
That's
brought
really
a
good.
napkin.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Don't forget the napkin,
best.
because this gets a little juicy.
Just a little.
You can drink it if you want.
Okay, so you twist all the way till you get to the bottom. This is a fun new toy that I got online. I like the brand Zule because they have a very good warranty. They have good quality products. Then you just pop the top off. It's a beautiful swirl.
Look at that kiwi. How yummy it is. until it's juicy.
You girls decide who's taking what. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go blend this up, and the girls are gonna continue with their slicing and getting their bowls ready before.
Raspberry.
Lucky, this is mine.
I think I am going to need another banana. Mia, would you mind helping me slice this banana up?
I love kiwi.
There we go.
Except I
Perfect.
can't eat
I'll be back.
kiwi.
And usually by keeping one of the fruits not frozen, it's enough liquid in that particular fruit to blend it without adding any water. So far so good. All right, Lucky, you stole my seat again. Okay, hold on, Lucky, here you go. You want a little treat? You want to be a good boy? Good boy. All right, Mia, taste tester. Tell me if it needs any more sweet or dates or anything. Perfect. Okay. So you want to layer pineapple? Do you want me to do some of this in yours now?
Yes, I will be ready for my scoop. Okay, that's good.
Okay, then you're gonna do a different layer. Okay, Hannah, you ready for some nice cream? You want to taste it first, or you want to be surprised? Mia says it's good.
But I'm almost done with my kiwi.
Okay.
That looks so pretty
I'm
so
ready for my
far.
second
Okay.
scoop. Although Hannah is doing it in awesome, adorable way, my way is a little bit different. That's all my kiwi perfectly right there. Now, look.
More?
Hannah, just a little bit, because I want to see the raspberries on top and the kiwi sticking out. A little bit right there. And time for the red. Hot.
This is an art form. Transitional diet is art.
Yeah.
Just like anything else, we take pride in making this taste delicious,
Good,
look
healthy.
delicious, healthy,
Mhm.
and fun. What more could you want?
Delicious.
Are you ready for more, Hannah? Okay.
Oh, it smells so minty.
Oh,
I got a piece of mint freshly grown from our garden for the top of my nice cream. Very nice. Gonna add the mint right there. That's my very nice cream. Of course, you can make it however you want.
And just to give you a close-up of that nice cream, it is so creamy, so smooth, and it smells amazing.
This is mine. Look at that. Good stuff. Like, you can see the pineapple at the bottom, and you can see the blackberries, and then you can see all the fruits on top. Oh, I just can't wait to just
Girls, it is looking beautiful. I love how you made them. They look great. Beautiful. Like,
I think a bee would love to come here and pollinate it.
right?
So colorful.
Wow.
And I love the pink color.
Love it. It came out even more beautiful than I imagined, because I imagine how I would do it, and then you guys go over the top and just make them look amazing in your very own ways. And you friends at home, you can do the same thing.
Yep.
You can make the nice cream any which way you want, just a banana base.
Flavors too.
Any flavors. You can do a strawberry base, you can do a banana base,
Could even do a blackberry base.
a blackberry base. That's right.
Purple one.
That's right. A dark purple one. Any color, any fruit. It's fun. Have fun with it. Decide on what works the best for you and your physiology. Make it beautiful and enjoy it.
Do you like a piece of mint, catnip, or lemon balm?
I want a piece of mint.
Piece of mint. All
It's
right.
my favorite.
Are you
So
excited?
delicious.
Are you excited to eat it? Okay.
Yes.
She loves mint.
Mhm.
Okay, Hannah, do you want to go share yours?
So for mine, as you can see on the bottom, I have kiwi. And then in the middle part, I have pineapple. And on top, I have my berries and my mint. And on these side parts, you can see the cream part popping through. And then
Some pineapple.
All right.
Show your work.
Thank you, Mother Nature, for this beautiful meal.
The blackberry mixed with the
wonderful.
strawberry nice cream is the best.
Now,
Try it.
How's the nice cream part?
I got some
Delicious.
of my chopped berries and the ice cream.
Uh-huh. And
Wow. Some of my mint.
you want me to grab some more mint from the
I
garden
got a-
for you? I know
I
you
got a
love your mom.
strawberry covered blackberry.
It's nice tasting, it's nice looking, and it's nice on the way out. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you make your very own personalized nice cream for you and share it with us. We'd love to hear all your ideas so then we make all different kinds ourselves. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, isn't that scrumptious?
It's absolutely scrumptious.
That looks so good.
Wasn't that amazing?
Yes,
Do you want some?
I want some. I want some nice cream. Nice cream sundae. You know, no hot fudge, no pus fudge. No, we don't need any of that. Just some good fruit, so the right combination of blended fruit, and we are in business. And we got to make it happen. The nice cream man or woman shouldn't be handing out pus cones of just cancer causing. Like, we got these cancer causing food. It's like, here, have, like, and everybody acts like it's all fun and it's all American, it's all wholesome, when it's the furthest away from anything wholesome. Put yourself in the place of the cow who's stripped away from her young children and then raped, then forcibly having the milk extracted from her. Also, you can have some wholesome, there's nothing wholesome about that at all. There's nothing wholesome about raping an animal. What's wrong with you people? What kind of marketing campaign managed to make Mr. Softy wholesome? What did they have to do to take blackface minstrelsy songs like Old Susanna and associate that with something wholesome and fun for the kids? What are we doing?
This is madness!
I appreciate you being here. Enjoy your nice cream while you ignore this pus reality out here. Get me wound up on all the nuttiness, how ridiculous this situation is that we're in. But it's all good. We're gonna eat our nice cream right on through it. So thank you for tuning in. If you would, go down below, click the subscribe button and the share button. Share this video far and wide to your friends and family. Show them that they don't have to go and get pus from the pus man. They can deal with some nice cream that they're gonna probably have to make themselves. Still gotta develop the nice cream man. Go down below, click on the link for the free training, which is only gonna be available for a limited time. Join me if you wanna learn more about this lifestyle, learn more about how to transform your physiology using the eloquent and sophisticated yet simple and easy to do methods of the Mucusless Diet Healing System. Click that link. You're gonna learn so much more than what I can show here on YouTube. So again, thank you so much. And before you leave, I want you to check this out right here. This is a video that's hand-picked for you. Click right here and I will see you over there. Peace, love, and breath.